Hello and welcome. My name is Greg, and today I would like to take you through a presentation of this latest vehicle joining our brand new stock here at Crewe Volkswagen dealership. This is an incredibly popular compact crossover, the one and only Volkswagen T-Cross, here available in the range topping and sporty R-Line trim. The vehicle is also finished in the optional Reflex silver metallic paint. You can just see for yourself just how wonderful this color truly looks, especially with the number of chrome accents reflecting from the natural sun. Some of the key highlights of this range topping model will include the benefit of full LED headlights and including these LED indicators, which also change shape and become your indicators as well for the daytime running lights. As expected, redesigned front bumpers and plenty of R-Line sports badging is courtesy of this sportier model. Also front and rear fog lights available, but I think you'll agree with me that chunky sporty look certainly enhances the crossover look of this already great looking Volkswagen T-Cross. Additionally, to complement those looks, you have a benefit of 18-inch diamond turned Nevada alloy wheels. Really nice, especially as you got those flared wheel arches with the plastic moldings on the side. The overall silhouette of the car looks really nice, especially with the lower parts also featuring painted bumpers. Privacy glass from the B-pillar back as well as chrome roof rails look really good on this silver metallic paint. Additionally, as we move to the back, you've got this signature rear tail light cluster for this T-Cross. It's only available in this model, and again, those blacked out accents look really nice against the lighter silver metallic paintwork. T-Cross prominent badging is available, and although compact in size, don't panic, as this vehicle has been very cleverly designed by VW to give you maximum boot space practicality. In its current configuration, the seats up, you have space probably for one, maybe two large suitcases, but if you want to create more space, you have a benefit of a 60-40 folding split seats. Additionally, hooks on either side are available for any shopping, as well as metal tether hooks to hide items. Underneath here, you've got a large cubbyhole storage space. You've got tire inflation kit, but that surrounding area can be used to store any additional items. And for added convenience, this is a variable boot floor. Once down, you create almost probably about 20 centimeters of extra depth. So really practical as well for any larger items you may wish to put in. One of the USPs of a Volkswagen T-Cross is the fact that it comes usually with a two-tone interior, such as is evident here. It really brightens up the cabin and lends in plenty of natural light thanks to the large windows mainly. But you can see here you've got this two-tone black and charcoal grey upholstery with this unique design here. Features a bit of faux leather inserts and this wide piping stitching, again just enhancing the overall feel of this already grey looking car. Additionally, rear passengers can benefit from additional storage. There's two built-in USB Type-Cs, as well as magazine holders and drinks in the door cubbies. So really cool car, whether for shorter or longer trims that you may plan. As we move to the front, that two-tone interior is further enhanced by this unique dash insert, which starts from the side of the car and runs all the way along the whole front of the vehicle, right to that front dash. Really nice and funky look. Of course, you have a benefit of an upgraded sports steering wheel with a flat bottom, R logo and perforated leather, but that's also further enhanced by aluminium sports pedals. Aluminium protective R-Line kick plates are available, and of course the front seats are now benefit from sports bucket seats, offering plenty of side support. They feature a bit of Alcantara and Volkswagen's R Racing logo as well. And for additional comfort, if you're worried about getting a bad back, don't be, as both the front passenger and the driver's seat benefit from a manual lumbar support function, so you can really maintain correct posture. Once inside the cabin, I can tell you the seats are incredibly comfortable, and this upgraded chunky sports steering wheel is really nice. The additional perforated leather gives you a bit more extra grip, and those aluminium inserts around and this R badging really lends itself to its own. Of course, we've got a large digital instrument cluster thanks to Volkswagen's active info display. It's fully controlled via this multifunction steering wheel and can display a number of key information on the move. This model is upgraded with the latest safety systems, such as Volkswagen's dynamic road sign recognition camera, which will read road signs as you drive along, so you won't exceed any speed limits. Also, there's a number of active safety systems available, such as a lane assist lane keeping system, adaptive cruise control with an active speed limiter, which will maintain a specific distance and speed from the vehicle in front. But also on this model, you even have blind spot monitoring. So there's a section, top right view of the wing mirror will illuminate with this image of two cars, and it will warn you if there's anything in your blind spot. But also you have a benefit of a rear traffic alert, which will warn you of any movement when you're reversing out of a space. And of course our front assist city emergency braking. So there's literally absolutely every single safety system imaginable on this model. Also, satellite navigation can be displayed via this 10-inch cluster. Very easy to use. You can change shape of the dials, and once you've got the map on, you'll be able to play around with the shape of the dials and change it from a 3D to a 2D view, and as well as a maximum widescreen view. A number of other systems can be displayed, such as all your audio files for any music you may wish to use, and answer and reject any incoming phone calls. As this is an automatic DSG model, you will also have benefit of paddle shifts behind the steering wheel to allow you for a more engaging and dynamic drive should you wish to change the gears yourself. Moving over to the center console, you get the benefit of Volkswagen's 8-inch Discover navigation system, which really has everything you would want, from items such as AM, FM and DAB digital radio, up to additional media source streaming functionality for any add-ons you may wish to use, such as those displayed on the screen. The Bluetooth pairing process on this car is incredibly easy to do as well, and the satellite navigation, of course, you can bring back onto this main screen here. Voila! A really quick and intuitive sat-nav screen. There's no lag on it, very quick and easy to use. Features a number of points of interest, dealers, petrol stations, or you can even find your restaurants by country as well. But it's a really nice sat-nav. Should also be pointed out as a 3D and a 2D view, and can accept full 7-digit postcodes as well as house numbers. If you, however, want to stick to your own smartphone, you'll get Volkswagen's AndroidAuto and AppleCarPlay connectivity thanks to the built-in App Connect system. Additionally, to help with parking, you'll get benefit of our front and rear audible and visual parking sensors as well. As we move down the console, you also have 2-zone climate control system on this vehicle, which is a great system as there's no fighting expected in the front between the driver and the passenger. Additionally, this model is further enhanced by our optional upgraded winter pack heated front seats with a 2-stage setting both for the driver and the passenger. But a really nice and funky system to use. The newly upgraded DSG gear lever, it also illuminates now, which is a nice added bonus. You know exactly which gear you're in, and the fact that it's leather wrapped adds to the overall premium feel of the car. Additional twin USB Type-Cs in the front as well to complement those in the rear, and large cubby holes are stored all around the cabin as well for maximum storage and comfort. If you like what you've seen in this video and would like to find out more information about this stunning T-Cross R-Line in Reflex Silver Metallic, then why not pick up the phone now and contact our friendly sales team on 01270 50 70 50, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. From myself, many thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this presentation, and if you like all our content, why not consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. In any case, thanks for watching, enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy this stunning weather.